Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible to you? Can you please let me know? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, got it. Okay, so we'll just start off with the presentation session today. Just wait for 2 minutes, let everyone join, then we'll just start off. Okay. Okay, guys, let's just start off with today's session. So today's the presentation session. So who wants to present their project, is ready with their project, just let me know your name so that we can just go ahead and see the presentation. Guys, am I audible to you? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay, thank you, Vansh. So eventually, guys, why are you not responding? Like, who wants to present this? This is happening like over every week. I have to ask multiple of time, like, go ahead, who is ready with the project? Just go ahead with the name and just give the presentation. Why I have to ask you? Yesterday also, I have confirmed you that today is the presentation session. You have to be ready. So why you people are doing this? And this is not so-called like a college stuff. It is a internship. Why you guys are not taking it seriously? Every week, due to the when there is a presentation, I have to ask you multiple of times why you are not speaking up. What is the issue? What is the presentation that you have to go ahead with? Why? None of you are ready with your presentation or what? Guys, at least speak up. Are you facing any issues with the project or what exactly is your issue? At least tell me that so that we can figure it out. Okay, which project you are working on, Priyal? Priyal, you can just switch on your mic and let me know which project you are actually working on. Okay, so what exactly is the issue there? So why you're needing time? So up to what, how much you have completed? At least explain that. Okay, so what exactly is the issue? There you have to go ahead with the joins, right? SQL joins you have to go ahead with. Can anyone tell me? So I got it about
Yes, ma'am, may I?
three. So what about others? Yeah, yeah, tell Himanshu.
Yes, ma'am. Uh,
So are you ready with your project to present?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, ready.
Okay, just share your screen then. So up to this long, I am just asking. So why you are not answering?
Ma'am, actually, I have some issue. I'm just fixing it. Yes, why not? So I'm ready.
Okay, you can
Can I?
present. Yeah, yeah, present.
So, hello everyone. My name is Manshu, and I am going to project. I'm going to display my project on crop yield analysis. So the main objective is to analyze agriculture data from different Indian states to understand crop production, yield, efficiency, and the impact of factors like rainfall, fertilizers, and pesticides. So comes to my SQL part. So as you can see that this is basically this is a blueprint for creating our database table like drawing and columns of a spreadsheet before fill of fit it with data. So first I created a database and used this database, and then I created a table named CropDB. And here first uh, first I create a unique ID number for each row. Basically, this is like a row number that automatically increases, and then comes to crop. Here, crop column name is crop, and here I said basically varchar is a data type in which we store the character, and this number shows that how many character we can store in varchar. And
Your voice is
uh,
breaking in between, Himanshu. Can you come again with the entire part because your voice is breaking in between?
Can I rejoin
Yeah, if that
or
sorts the issue, you can just rejoin and start up.
okay, now I am audible.
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, just a second. My screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So hello everyone, I am Manshu, and I'm today going to present my project on crop yield analysis. So basically, my main objective is to analyze agriculture data from different Indian state to understand crop production, yield effic and and the impact of factors like rainfall, fertilizers, and pesticides. So first, I created a database named crop database, and I use this database and then create a table named crop db. Then uh, id int auto increment primary key. Here I create a unique id number for each row. This is like a row number that automatically increases. Then I define the column name crop, uh, or crop varchar basically are data types, which we can in which we can store the characters, and this number shows the how many character we can store in that data type. Or then next, then I create a column name crop year, and and then season varchar and state varchar or area double. How so area double means it's also a data type, just like which in which we store the decimal number. We can also use float instead of double, but I'm convenient with double. That's why I use this double. And then when our data frame is made, then we have to upload the data from clicking the right side of your mouse and import the data from wizards. So here I imported my data. As you can see it, this is my data. Around I have 400 data in this entry, and then comes to data cleaning part. So on data cleaning part, I use crop database because I add another SQL query sheet, so that I have to use a database case. Then I comes to data cleaning. First, I count the rows of my data, and here count the rows. Ma'am, should I run it?
Yeah, you can run it.
Okay. So first of all, comment it out, and I have to run this. So there are total 399 rows, and here I count the column also. It out, and I'm going to run it. And 11, and there are 11 columns in my data set. Then I trim the white spaces from the text by updating the crop db set. Basically, it's remove the spaces, and basically it's remove the blank spaces from the text area. And then I standardize the crop, which means uh, 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 standardize the crop names, which means if there is proper non-defined arcade, then it's come to arcade tool. So here you can see that arcade tool is changed, and then comes to replacing missing values with null. Then I update the crop db set by uh, missing value with null, and then comes to identify the duplicates part. Then I selected the crop year season state, where I so as you can see it, there is no duplicate parts in my data. Then comes to data cleaning, sorry, data checking. So here basically this here we selected the state and count the distinct crop as a number of crop, and sum the area as total area cultivated, some production as total production, and round sum production divide. So basically it's for overall productivity. So it's calculate the total farmland area and the total crop produce. Basically it's help us to see which state is bigger producer. So here you can see it. West Bengal is the biggest producer in all the state. Then comes to second analysis, where I analyze the analysis for crop production. For crop production, where I select the session, count the distinct crops as number of crops, and sum the production as total production. So basically, this data by session, by season, and count how many different crops are grown and how much is produced in each session. So as you can see in table, Kharif are 32 number of crops, and the total production is uh, three around 3 crores. And then comes to total fertilizers and pesticides. So basically here I uh, I add up the total amount of fertilizers and pesticide used in each state. Also, it shows which state uses the more fertilizers. So as you can see in this table, West Bengal is the top country which used more fertilizers and most pesticides. Then comes to my fourth analysis, most effective states for crop production, uh, where I select the state, sum the production as total production, and sum the area as total area, and sum of production divided by sum of area as overall efficiency. So basically, it's calculate yield efficiency, which means a higher efficiency. Uh, Higher efficiency means the state produce more crops per unit of land, which is seen as productive agriculture. So Kerala is most productive agriculture, productive agriculture, because its total production is too high, and total area is also is not too much high, and overall efficiency is 3070.31936. And then comes to fifth analysis, which shows the most productive state. So basically, it's an advanced query for each crop, like rice and wheat, to rank all the state based on their yield efficiency. Here you can show on my table. So coconut is the most uh, productive crop in West Bengals, and then maize, then rice, and then sugarcane, and then wheat. Then comes to my R part, R studio, where first I loaded the libraries which I need in this analysis, or these five libraries are used for data handling, and these five these five libraries are used for data handling, and oh, sorry three libraries are used for visualization, and this one library used for code style, basically. Yeah. And then comes to inspect the data. Inspect the data. This is the exploratory phase before. Basically, this is the exploratory phase where I use the uh, head part to show the data. To show the data. Here you can see that by using head we get the six first columns, and by str basically show the structure of data set, and summary provide immediate insight like min max and value of number and count out categories. So you can see that here's my structure and summary, and then comes to data cleaning part. Here I first uh, Here I first use the column sum, which used to help which print the total number of missing value in each columns. Then comes to second. In this, I standardize I standardize the name, which means just like makes.name is typically replace the space with dots, assign the new values. Basically, it's for assigning the new values and removing the space from the data. So here you can see that all the spaces are removed, and then comes to correcting data types. There are some data which have not incorrect data types, so I corrected it, and then is floated the logical value. Then I floated the illogical values, which means I remove the illogical values. Basically, in physical measurement like area, rainfall, fertilizers, and pesticides cannot be negative. This line removes any invalid entries from the data sets. So here's the final check of my data. Here's a summary, and then comes to final check, and then I do some data analysis where we summarize the stats of crop data of my file crop data, where I group the states and crop year and uh, summarize the total production and total yield, and basically here's uh, and you can see that also. Here is my summary, and then comes to my visualization part. First I use box plot to compare crop yield distribution across different states, where I use ggplot to initialize the plot as define the or ggplots to define to init to initialize the plot, or A's to define the colors of the graph, and geo box plot is for. Wait a second, I will show you my plots. Yeah. So I use scale log 10 for apply the logarithmic scale to the y-axis, and then the lab and themes manual for backgrounds. So here is my box plot, and then comes to net, where I visualize the top 10 crops by production. Here I use the horizontal bar chart. Here's a coconut, where coconut is the most productive in all the countries. And then comes to rainfall distribution. Here I use histogram. Here I use histogram to show the to understand the rainfall patterns affecting uh, crop cultivation. And then I also analyze the yearly trend, which you can show in this graph, average yearly trend, to analyze the long-term yield patterns and agriculture productivity trends. So then comes to crop category distribution. For crop category distribution, I use pie chart. Uh, I only taken the first 10 data for analyzing the crop distribution, and ggplots for initializing the plots. And here I used quad polar. I use quad polar. This basically this is a key function. It converts the rectangular bar chart into pie chart, and that's all in R programming. And then comes to Excel dashboard. I created the interactive dashboard by using some slices. I use the slices of years which show the 2022 the total production by state, average yield by session, and top three state-wise crop production. And in 2023 and 2024 and 2025. Here you can also see the state-wise also, and then you can also search. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Himanshu, can you just go ahead in the Excel part and show me the analysis separately, like each of the analysis? I guess you have built
Yes,
it
ma'am.
in separate. Yeah,
I
you
think I
can.
have to
Yeah,
uh, restart it. Wait a second, ma'am.
sure.
Just a second. I have to restart this. See. Can I stop sharing, ma'am? I just
Yeah, you can. Okay, you can just open it up and then share.
my screen is visible.
Yes, it is. Let's share.
Okay. So dashboard analysis one.
Okay, so it was related to what? Like total production by
Ma'am,
state.
total production by state.
Okay, got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you used any
Mm,
filter over here or any slicer to just check it once?
Ma'am, I use the slices in
Dashboard
dashboard.
that I got, but
Yes, ma'am.
for each of the charts, have you used? You can use the filter option, right? In the
Yes, ma'am.
there you get yes, you got get the option of filtering as well, right? So you can do
Yes,
that as
ma'am.
well. Okay,
Sorry, ma'am,
you
I
can go
didn't
ahead.
used it.
Fine, not an issue. You can go ahead with analysis too.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is the average yield by season. Okay, next,
Yes, ma'am.
next third one.
And top three
Okay,
state-wise crop production comparison.
got it. Fine. And fourth, fifth, sixth one, you can go accordingly. Yes.
State-wise
Okay.
yield analysis, and then total area in every state, and then total production in every year.
Okay. So just show me the dashboard ones.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this analysis only you have put it in the dashboard format, right? With the slicers on, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'll just give a suggestion for the dashboard part. Like everything is fine, but like you got the total production, right? So you can just put that after the dashboard. You can just put that what is the actual production. You can just create the KPI in that format and just can try and paste it with if any pie chart or any line chart that is required for that. You can do that total production or total yield according to you can put that status also after the dashboard section. Then you can put all of the charts, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in separate sheet or in dashboard only?
Dashboard only you can put it after where
Oh,
you have given the title dashboard. After that
yes,
only you
ma'am.
can put that, so it looks better. And one
Okay,
more
okay.
thing, yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
one more thing, like the for the crop field prediction, it's been given right to build a predictive model in R, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So did you build the any of the predictive model?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you just did the EDA part, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I don't know much about R Studio. I never studied before, but I
Okay, good.
start. Yes, ma'am.
Fine, but see, that is the internship, right? So that's why the projects are a bit in this format, they are related to the industry standard, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
try and learn accordingly. But apart from this, up to EDA part, it's fine. But try and build relatively with the prediction model with like you can try the basics, like any of the basic regression model, you can start like the linear regression part. Later, you can just
Okay,
go
ma'am.
ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, Himanshu, you can just stop
Thank you, ma'am.
sharing. Yeah. So who next wants to present? Guys, is there anyone who wants to present? Like every week, I have to ask you the same thing again and again. Why? Why, guys? Why it is like this? What issues you are facing? First, tell me that. At least we can try and solve that. So, are you facing any issue? Guys, just speak it up. Without speaking, how will I be understanding what issues you are facing? Just open your mic and speak it up at least. Or you are not interested at all for the internship. What exactly is the issue? Why you people are so casual? Am I audible to you?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm facing an issue regarding dataset.
So what is the issue you're facing?
Ma'am, I'm unable to find the appropriate dataset, ma'am.
Why the data set is mostly in the Kaggle. Most of the data you'll get in the Kaggle, right?
Ma'am, actually, I have downloaded many a times from the Kaggle, but it shows
Okay.
that the file is corrupted.
Why this doesn't happen with Kaggle? Kaggle gives us the like the support to just download the version. Any of the data set that we want to download, it is easily downloaded from Kaggle. Himanshu, from where you have taken the data from Kaggle itself, right?
Yes, ma'am. From Kaggle. You can also download it
Yeah.
from ChatGPT. You write the command and ChatGPT gives you.
Yeah, that is there. But the easy option is to just go to Kaggle, just type it down what data you want to get. The data you'll be getting. So, Abhijay, what issue? Like, this is not an issue actually. So, how come you are getting in a corrupted version? Everyone is downloading from Kaggle only. Any other issue, guys? Any genuine issue anyone is having? This is like every week you people are doing like this same thing. See, I just need to answer this very clearly because if you are at all interested about this internship, because these presentation sessions are very important. I guess you are grown up, you are understanding this part that this parts are very much this presentation sessions are very much important. Without you giving the presentation of your project, you won't get the certificate, final certificate. So what's the point of like investing the time, right? So you people need to understand this. Every week I have to come and tell you what is this or what is that. Why you people are not serious about the presentation? Why don't you people like you're only we are giving you the support, we are giving like teaching you, we are just going giving you the like you are also giving you the option of choosing down your project. We are giving a list of projects from there you have to just choose down your project. What you'll be doing when you'll go to the industry? There would be a strict deadline. One day means one day. So what you'll be doing there? Here you are getting around, like yesterday was the presentation session, so I haven't taken it like that. So today is the presentation session, we are taking it off. So you have got around 3 days, and if I count it for today, 4 days. So you can't build a simple project. So I understood. Suppose if anyone is having issue with suppose working with R or any of that. So at least you try with the project. Whatever, how much version of the project you have completed, just show me that. No response as usual. Guys, at least speak up.
Guys, if you have initiated your project and but you are not able to complete it, even though you can show those project here to ma'am, okay? So at least come up and show it. I don't know why you people are not doing the project, but it is very important to get the certificate. You all have to complete all the 6 projects. So maximum we can do that. Whatever you have prepared, just show it here. We can further extend it. You can once you complete it, you can submit it with your next week project. Okay, but if you have not initiated it, that is not a good thing because you have already got the extended time. Uh, so we suppose that I suppose that you all have completed. So please, those who have even initiated and those are not able to complete it, please show it here. And if you have any doubt, you can discuss with ma'am. Okay. So please come up one by one and show your project. Okay. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so yeah, guys, anyone is there who have at least started with the project? Guys, at least try and respond, no? If you have not done it, also try and respond at least. That is a bare minimum thing one asks, right?
Guys, please raise your hand who has initiated the weekend project. Just raise your hand. Out of 23 students, no one has even initiated your project.
Sir, I guess he has only just given the presentation of the project.
That I
Yeah,
already I
apart
saw
from
it.
that, no
Yeah,
one.
apart
Yeah.
from that, no one has even started their project. It's a really bad thing, yeah. This internship is only for you people, and if your response is like that, we will not going to take any session, any further sessions. Okay, if we will get such kind of response, okay. No one has initiated their project, even not started working on it. Can you please give me the reason behind this? Okay, please speak up one by one. Abhijit Das, why you have not
Yes, sir.
initiated your project? What is the issue?
Sir, actually, whenever I try to open a data set on the PostgreSQL, it always shows that the file is either corrupted or there is something wrong with the
For
file.
all the project, it is showing for all the project or any specific project.
No, sir, only with a SQL project.
So you can try with another project. There are mul- there are many data sets available online.
Yes,
Why
sir,
don't
I'm
you try
trying to
some
figure
another
it out.
project, another data set or another project?
Sir, actually, I'm trying but unable to find it.
Only you are not getting the data set, then you have not tried it again. This is not a good thing. You can switch to another project. There are, I think, 50 project list of project you can select. You all have to select only one project out of those 50 projects. And I don't think it would be any, will be any difficulty for you. If you are not able to get any specific data set, you can switch to another project and then try to identify or get another data set and start working on it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aditya, what about you?
Hello, sir.
Yes, why you have not
Yes.
initiated your project?
Sir, due to my laptop issue, I'm going to service center to correct my laptop. That's why I'm not able to start. But
Did you
today
inform this
I
to did you inform this to ma'am?
no, sir.
Why?
Yes. But today I complete my project.
This is your responsibility now, that you have to justify why you have not initiated your project or not completed your project. We are killing our time in asking the silly things, like you are like a small student. I am one by one asking to all of you, huh? You all are basically studying in a final year of your engineering, and such kind of response is not a good thing.
Yes, sir.
Anushka Bhatia, what is your excuse why you have not initiated your project? Can you hear me, Anushka? Okay, Bhavani, I will take your name on only for one time. Okay, I'm not going to repeat it again and again. So please respond. Bindu Dama. Who is this e-commerce core tail? Hana, Fatima, Harsh Mishra, Manchu. At least speak up, yaar. What is the issue?
Yes, sir.
Are you not able to understand what ma'am is telling to you? What is the issue? Your concept is not clear, or is there any some your personal reason that why you have not even initiated your project? Guys, I'm telling you, I am going to terminate this internship right away. Okay, your entire time will be will be wasted. If I inform this to our HR, HR will going to terminate this internship immediately. So you will be only on the loss. Okay. You are taking internship without any cost. You're not paying anything to us. Okay. And I think this is the reason you all are taking this as a granted. And you are not interested at all in doing the internship. May I know when you will complete your project? Any specific timeline can you share with me, with ma'am, by when you will complete it? Is the project complexity level is high that you people are not able to understand, or what is the issue? Can you please tell me, or it is out of the syllabus or the other context of what ma'am has uh, taught you last week? Is there is anything like that? Guys, if you are not going to tell me the reason, how would I understand what is the issue? Whether the issue is personal, is the issue with the with the mentor, or issue with the understanding of things, or the syllabus is not you are able to understand, or what is the issue? If you don't tell me, how I am able to understand the exact. cause of your issue. Okay, fine. If you are not able to speak it up, fine. Ma'am, I'm going to close this for today's session. Will not continue. Will not continue this session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, guys, I'm going to terminate this session for the day and come up tomorrow with make up your mind whether you are able to you want to do it or not. If you don't want to do it, just leave the group, leave the internship immediately.
Excuse me,
And
ma'am.
if you are really interested, then please complete your project and come up with your project. Okay. Until unless you will not complete your project, your session will not we will not going to take your session at all.
Ma'am, can I start
Fine.
the presentation, ma'am?
Yes, Mike. Why you are not speaking? If you are
So
ready with
can
your
I?
presentation,
Sorry,
okay.
sir.
Please give
Can
your
I start?
presentation, ma'am. Please take the presentation for Mayank.
Okay, sure.
For others, if you have initiated a project, even though the project is not completed, please come up and whatever you have done, just show it here. Don't come up here with the blank faces. Okay, this is not your college, and I'm not your professor. We are here to help you. We are here to help you in your job, in your internship. It will this internship going to help you in getting a job. Okay, so don't take it as a granted. It is very important sessions we are taking here, and it is for you only, guys. Okay, so try to understand this and uh, please support here and complete whatever task ma'am has given. Just do it. Okay, ma'am, please take your session. Over to you. After this,
Sure, sir.
after taking this presentation, if anyone is interested in will be interested, then take the presentation. Otherwise, just terminate for the this session for the day. Okay, we will not going to continue.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Sure. Thank you, sir. Yeah, Mayank, you
Um,
can continue.
ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
So hi everyone, my name is Mayank Sharma, and today I will be presenting my project on student performance data analysis. The main goal of this project was to analyze student academic data to uncover insights about performance, trends, top achievers, and factor affecting academic results. The objective of this project was to evaluate student performance across multiple subjects, identify top performers and underperforming areas, examine the impact of factors like attendance and school difference on the academic outcomes, provide data-driven recommendation for improvement. So, for my project was built on a database called student performance. I used a single table named student, which included data details, student details like ID, name, gender, school, performance metrics like score in maths, science, engineering, and technology, attendance percentage, overall average score. Uh, for my data cleaning part, for data cleaning, first I have checked for missing values or null values from then remove duplicate values and then validate range of scores. Next, data analysis. Data analysis first is overall average performance. Calculate calculated the average score of the entire class to understand general performance levels. Second is the best performance students. We identify the top 10 students based on their overall average scores. Third one is average score by gender, compared how male and female students perform in different subjects like math, science, engineering, and technology. And the fourth one is school-wise average scores. Check which school had the highest average performance and identify performance gaps. And the fifth one is impact of attendance on performance. Categorize students into groups. For first is excellent at attendance, 90% above. Good attendance, 75 to 89%. Poor attendance, below 75%. Are compared their average scores. The sixth one is subject-wise top performers. Found student who topped in each individual subject. Uh, as per my studio, I loaded essential R packages, T-diversed, uh, and deep layer R for data manipulation, ggplot2 for creating visualization, Schema for quick data summaries, and core plot for generating a correlation heat map. These tools form the foundation for our entire analysis. For data cleaning, we started by checking for error and standardizing the gender column into MF and others for consistency. Either for data analysis, first is distribution of genders. A simple bar chart shows the gender distribution for student population. It shows here. And the second is average score by gender. A box plot compares the overall average score across the gender groups, showing the central tendency and spread of grades. The next one is correlation heat map. The correlation heat map reveals how different numerical variables like test scores related to another. The heat map is the key metrics we
Where you are
calculated.
showing this heat map and stuff, I can
Ma'am,
only visual. I
ma'am,
can
my R
only
studio is
see
not
his.
visible.
No,
Oh, just a second, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible now?
yeah, it is visible. Just go up. Yeah. Uh, in SQL part, can you just switch to SQL once? You can just
Yes, ma'am.
share the screen, no, that like not the tab.
Uh,
Just show me the SQL part once. Not the R Studio. I'm saying the SQL, like the MySQL part where you have taken down the database, that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Then just switch to this one once more. Mayank, can't you understand?
Ma'am, just a second, ma'am.
Okay. This time try and share the screen. I guess in that format, if you are switching, that would be better. Don't just
Yes,
switch
ma'am.
the window. Yeah, yeah. Here you have just gone ahead, build the built the database, then taken the table, created the table, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have gone for data cleaning part. Go for
Yes, ma'am.
data cleaning one, the tab. Yeah. So here you have just what you have done. Just explain this one, this part once. Just randomly you can go. Don't have to go in really deep, but just go from here and then switch to our studio and accordingly tell. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, first I have checked for missing values or null values, then remove duplicate values, and the last validate range of scores.
Okay. Then did you take in any analysis part in this SQL?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So you can move to R and can start with your analysis in R. Just go from the beginning. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Start. Uh, I loaded essential R packages. Diverse and dplyr are for data manipulation, ggplot2 for creating visualization, Schema for quick data summaries, and core plot for generating a correlation heat map. These tools form the foundation of our entire analysis. Uh, Data cleaning. Uh, I started by checking for errors and standardizing the gender column into AMAP and others for consistency. And then the data analysis. First is distribution for genders. A simple bar graph shows gender distribution of the student population here. And the second one is average score by gender. A box plot compares the overall average scores across gender groups, showing the central tendency and spread of grades. And the third is correlation heat map. The correlation heat map reveals how different numerical variable like test scores related to one another. The KPI matrix, we calculated the average score for the entire class as a key benchmark and identify the top 5 highest performing students. And then in short, this process cleaned the data visualization, distribution, relation, and established the key performance indicators for the student body. For dashboard, I created a interactive dashboard. Ma'am, I
Yeah.
also have to analysis part. First,
Yeah.
uh, first analysis is average overall performance. And the second is the performance in each subject by gender. Third is the count of student by gender, and then average attendance by gender. Uh, that's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So can you just go for this analysis part once more? What are the analysis you have made
Ma'am,
and just
first is
explain it? Mm-hmm.
average overall performance. Row label shows the different schools, and sum of overall averages shows the grades.
Okay.
And then
Then.
the performance in each subject by gender. Gender
Okay.
of male, female subjects, math score and their scores, science scores, engineering scores, technology scores, and
Mm-hmm.
then count of student by gender, count of student IDs, count of column labels, female, male, and grand total.
Okay.
And then average attendance by gender, and the schools, different schools, school A, school B, school C, school D,
Mm-hmm.
and female, male, and grand total.
Okay.
And
Fine.
this is the dashboard.
Okay. Okay. Got it. So it would be better if you could include more charts related to that. And I just wanted to ask, like, is it related, uh, like it was not given, like, is it like you have to go for the analysis in R and then just in the Excel you have to create the dashboard?
Yes, first I created the analysis, then created the dashboard.
Okay, so in R, you have just made the analysis, right? Whatever the
Yes, ma'am.
charts you have prepared, that only have you taken up here in Excel, or how it is? Have
Uh,
you taken another analysis in Excel and separate analysis in R, or you have tried and included the same kind of analysis?
ma'am, it's no, ma'am, it's the same data.
The data is same, like, see, go for analysis one in Excel.
Yes, ma'am.
So this one, like average overall performance, did you have created the same analysis in case of R? Just build it this column chart or bar chart basically, and created the same data up from the same data. Did you create it, or you have plotted different plots for different data, like different analysis in R?
Ma'am, different analysis.
Got it. Fine. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay, Mayank.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So anyone else wants to present their project up? Anyone has started and wanted to just share that much or anything? Anyone is there? I'm asking for the last time. Okay. Okay, fine. Got it. So since none of you are responding, so I am just wrapping up the session today here. And whoever has, like Anushka has told, like I'll complete tomorrow, I'll complete Priyal. You also told that tomorrow I'll complete in the chat. So accordingly, I'm going according to the chart, and tomorrow you people have to present the project, whatever be the project that you have taken into, you have to present that tomorrow. Fine?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Aditya, you're saying R programming is new to you, right? So previously you're telling you're facing issue with the laptop. Now you're saying you're facing issue with the R programming. What exactly is the problem?
Ma'am, the R language is new for me. I'm searching, but after that, my laptop is then I resolve this issue first.
Okay, which project you have started off, Aditya?
Uh, ma'am, rainfall,
Rainfall
rain.
one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I don't recall if that was there here or not. Okay, fine, got it. If you are working with that, try and complete that by tomorrow, and tomorrow you'll be having the presentation. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, yes,
So
ma'am.
we'll just wrap up our session today here. But tomorrow I am not going to ask you multiple of times. Please present, please present. Be ready with the presentation. You'll be just giving with the name and you have to present. Fine. Okay. So we'll just
Yes,
wrap
ma'am.
up our session today here. So bye guys.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.